a background thing. So I go, and it's him, a 60-year-old billionaire, doesn't know who the fuck I am. You're gonna have comedy, have Jerry Seinfeld, have Joe Rogan, have somebody that they know. They have no idea. So the guy who, was like Steve's assistant, who, has to answer to his wife, I think his name was Ned.
Center section to the rear arm, it's just lightly installed. We'll torque down everything once everything's mounted. Gonna go ahead and install our side bracket. We got our forward side bracket, the two uppers, and the rear. We're going to go ahead and torque them down. We're going to torque down our hardware. Everything's 110 foot-pound. Now with the slots that are on the lower rib, we're going to drill 2 half-inch holes. Now we're going to go ahead and from the top, going to put our U-bolts in. Now from the bottom, you can install the washer, a spring, another washer, and it calls for you to tighten it down to where this nylon is flush with the bottom of the bolt. And that's it. Now I'll go ahead and do it for the rest of them. Now the pin with the hole on top, slide it in. Alright, it's in. Okay, you're going to pull and rotate clockwise. Now it's unlocked. Now we'll slide our ball in. There's a tab in there, so this only goes one way. Slots go away. And you pull clockwise. Now it's locked in place. And there you go. There's your gooseneck hitch installed. Hopefully this video helped y'all. Y'all have a good one.